Are there any other issues come forward?
Judge,
Yes, sir.
just want to take a moment of personal privilege and talk a little bit about the Lake Maumelle Watershed Task Force. We've had about 10 meetings thus far, 3 meetings left. Again, I just urge the colleagues on the Quorum Court to come and see one of these deliberations in progress. I think it's rather impressive when you see the personalities in the room. March 6th, March 20th, March 27th are the final 3 meetings. I don't know if you read the article in the paper this past week, but we had I think what was a very positive conversation last week. Again, these are big personalities. These are people who I believe a year ago wouldn't have sat in the same room together. Today, I think you're seeing a lot of people sort of put aside hard feelings, put aside emotions, and really try to work for the betterment of the county and for the community. So really urge you to come by and see a meeting take place. I know a couple of you have taken the privilege or the time to do that, and I really appreciate it. And just as a way of update, the moratorium on that we passed last April obviously expires this coming April. We expect for final language, any consensus recommendations and language to be put before the Quorum Court in April. So be looking out for that. But again, the UAEX, the University of Arkansas Extension building, which is next door to the Jack Stevens building, 5:30. They usually last about 8 o'clock. 3 left. It ought to be probably 3 of the more dynamic conversations. So I think you'll have an opportunity to see one final deliberation about a couple key parts of the ordinance, but then the last 2 is more or less kind of cleaning up language and deciding if there's consensus. So again, please come and participate. Thank you.
Judge.